Hi everyone, time for another video, and I think today I'm going to do a bit of distant healing for you all. I see a few people have done distant healing videos, so I thought I'd take my own spin on it. This should last ad infinitum. We're putting that energy out there. So all you got to do is, if you're watching this, just tell yourself to accept the healing energy that's going to come your way. That's it, simple as that. Just close your eyes and just relax for 10 minutes or so, however long this is going to take. So if you do that for me now, please. If you just close your eyes, take a deep breath, tell yourself to let go. Do another one of those for me. Nice deep breath and really sigh as you let it all out. And sort of really just relax and just stay in that space whilst I do all the hard work for you. So just ease yourself down and I shall begin. I'm going to put my phone onto the table here, so if you look you'll only see the sky above. And on that count I shall begin. Take it out. Just drawing a distance symbol at the moment. So we are using Reiki. And we'll just build that connection with you now. And just imagine there's a pair of hands on your shoulder, just sending energy to you. Just gently coming down. Remember to keep on breathing. Just ignore any sounds that you might hear around. This is a living environment after all. You may hear cars, bees, we just had a bee go past. People talking. It's okay. We're in this space for you. And now just imagine that energy is a crown at the top of your head. Just send an energy into you. Remember, keep on breathing. Let that lovely energy come in. Think of a lovely, almost like a white colour for you, possibly pink. But if you get another different colour, that's fine. You may have sensations, you may feel nothing at all. Release all expectation. And then just imagine there's a pair of hands by the side of your temples, near your ears. Just almost imagine, visualise heat going in that area now, giving you peace of mind. Release your tension. Just let the energy flow. Remember, your energy will be getting involved as well. You're not just a passive part of this, you're very much part of this. Not just merely accepting is a big step. Now imagine the energy is going into the brow. It's below your hairline, into what some will call the third eye. You may visualise the colour purple here perhaps, indigo, whatever comes to your thoughts. Just let it pass, let it come. Nothing to do here except accept the energy. The energy cascades down. And then we come to the throat. It's almost like a nice warm scarf just going across your neck there. Soothing. Nice gentle rays of healing just for you. Just accept it. Blue feeling of peace. Imagine the ocean washing your throat right now. Maybe you've got a sore throat and it's just soothing like a lozenge almost. Through the energy comes. Now towards your heart. Allow the energy just to resonate within you. Bringing that peace of mind again. Releasing those old hurts. Remembering the ones we've lost with much love. Remember, they're always part of you. And any old emotional hurts, just let them go. Let that energy come in for you. And just heal. And the energy flows into your stomach, solar plexus. Beautiful, lovely yellow colour here, you may visualise, or gold even. And if you get a different colour, again, it's fine. Just be soothed in that moment. A lovely jet wash of golden energy right now. Just let it carry on flowing through you. Go down to our solar plexus now. Oh, sorry, say that again. We've done our solar plexus, beg your pardon. Towards our navel now, our belly button. What we call the Sacral Chakra. Chakras are like energy centers, in case you're wondering. And we just let that energy just flow in there now. Let that circle turn. Not too fast, not too slow, but just the right speed for you. Let your body find its balance. And build your inner fire here. An increase in intensity. People often visualise like an orange or even copper colour here, perhaps. A coppery kind of golden. Lovely ray coming in for you. Again, just let it flow. Don't think about it too much. And if you just don't see colours, that's fine. Doesn't matter. Just some of us do. Just remember the mere fact that you said you want some healing is a powerful tenet that you have released. Let the energy just flow through you. Embracing you, cocooning you in your time and space. As we just now go towards the base chakra near our hip area. People like to visualise the colour of red, symbolises life, the colour of blood, stamina. You go get 'em kind of attitude almost. With that energy swell there now. Knowing that you're here, right here and now, and you have a purpose. Just let that lovely energy flow. No thoughts, just the fact we are present. Still, we just let it flow. Remembering our breath, of course. And now I'd like to imagine in front of you, just let that tractor pass. Just imagine in front of you this sphere with all the different colours spinning at a nice even pace just for you. Almost like your own little rainbow. It belongs to you. You see that sphere circling round and round and round. Take that sphere, as a bee says hello to me, and take it into your heart now. Either physically or just imagine it coming in. Let it settle there. And just say thank you. So I now gently bring this session to a close. And when you're ready, just open your eyes. And I do hope that was of some use to you. I will be doing other videos in due course. And please give me your feedback. If that resonates with you, just let me know. And just kind of like make your own thoughts there. Much really appreciated. And if you like this, please do like and subscribe. Much more content. I often do weekly guidance, a few other precepts, and whatever else comes to mind. But I'm pretty chilled myself after doing that. Hopefully you will too. So much love to you all. Bye bye.